I just want you to come in.
Hey guys, this is Shane at Boat Motor Superstores. Come aboard today, we're going to show you a 2023 39 Speciale HCB that we just took in. Comes with a quad axle trailer, twin 600 horsepower Mercuries, and is loaded and ready to go. Some of the nice features on this 39 HCB are a bow thruster for easy maneuvering. Joystick combined with the bow thruster makes it almost effortless to dock anywhere, whether it's dinner, skyhook anchoring, offshore, catching bait, that kind of thing. This boat's made to do a little bit of both. You have ample forward seating, a nice comfortable cabin with sink, rear facing seating, which is the most comfortable out of the wind, and a removable seat over the top of the live wells if you need that extra capacity for the sandbar. At the helm, you've got 3 Garmin GPS fish finders, as well as an open array radar and lighting throughout.